Today we're going to check out what it takes to get from something that looks like this, where you have the empty lots, the walls, no housing, just the basic infrastructure, up until you get something like this, where you have all the homes built, infrastructure, everything's under roof. These are all the model homes over in Moultrie Creek. You can see there's still a couple areas left to go. But how do we get here? It all starts with them pouring the foundation here. Now, when they go into an area, and I've said this on several videos before, but they will work on that specific area, knock out those houses, and then they go from neighborhood to neighborhood. So it starts out with the foundation. After they get all the plumbing in place, that lot on the right, you can see that they have all the pipes and plumbing in place. Everything's there. And then that lot on the left, which we're spinning around, you see that they're actually laying the foundation and pouring cement into the area. Now, this is an area that they're working on right now. This is what's next. So you will have the foundation laid, and then you'll get a closer look in here soon, but they start laying out, and these are the precast walls that they're putting up. That lot that's closest to us is getting ready to put up the walls. You'll be able to see them put up one wall in a bit. The lot on the right, where the other crane is, they're about half done. And I'd say I was out here for about 20 minutes, and I watched them put up 2 walls on a home. So they just get through these areas pretty quick. You can see we just looked at this area not too long ago. And so they lay out and they get I don't know what they call them, but you can see that lot on the top right there, not with the yellow crane. They have it kind of laid out where the walls are going to go, and you'll get a closer look at that soon, where they're putting in the walls. They have 2 chains that come off the end of the crane there, and they pick the walls up, and then they pull it over, and they put the walls down. It looks like they have about 6 to 8 guys in each house as they do that. So they have those little forklift trucks coming in with the rebar and the metal and forms that are doing that. And then they put up those precast walls. That house closest to us got a little pool there, maybe a hot tub, I'm not sure. This is a closer look. So there you see there's 5 guys. 1 guy is sitting on the back of the truck, and they're putting up a wall. They put the wall into place, and then they get these guys to come down and put the wall into place, securing it to the foundation. And then they put these kind of props. That's what you see laid out on the foundation right there, is these things that prop the walls up and kind of hold them there so that they don't tip over. Now here's that second house. As you can see, got those 2 chains holding that wall on each side, putting it into place. So there's only 2 guys on this home here. Well, 3 now. One was hiding behind the wall there. You can see them working on the bottom of the wall. They're actually securing it. Now there's 4 guys. There's 1 on the trailer helping to hook the walls up. And they're hammering it down in, probably using some cement screws or cement nails, and making it happen. It's pretty interesting how they put these homes up, and they put them up so fast. So within a couple hours, they're moving on to the next house, if even that long. You see them bringing in another truck with the preform walls there. All the trailers are already pre-placed in, and then they have these little, I would call it like a little Tonka truck that comes in, hooks up to the trailer, drags those walls in, and then brings them over to the cranes where they can take them off of the trailer and put them right up. Again, You see here. Now, there's a lot of construction going on in these areas. So you're putting together, and several different houses are at different points in each. You'll see a couple roofs going on, some interior walls being put up as well here soon. But like I said, there's 5 guys there again on this one house. And then here we're looking at some of the roofing going on, along with some of the interior walls being done on these homes. And this one closest to us in the bottom right already has the roof on, and they're putting the plywood on. This one with the crane, they are putting the framing and framing the walls out, and they're also framing the roof out. The crane will put one of the walls or one of the forms into place for the roof, and then the workers go ahead and they knock it down and secure it together, do all that stuff. And then this one here, you're looking at the walls on the inside of the house being framed out and put up. So this is one step behind that last one that we looked at there. Now these neighborhoods, they typically, when they come in, they put the rec center up first where the mail goes. This one closest to us right here, they're getting the doorway up and the door frame put in. A lot of activity going on in here. And these are how these neighborhoods are built. It's very interesting to watch, actually. I was out here probably for about 30 minutes flying around and taking a peek at it. And here's yet another area where they got a smaller crane in here, putting up the trusses for the ceiling and the roof and getting that put onto the foundation and the exterior walls. I wouldn't want to be this guy walking on that wall, either one of those guys, putting it on and framing out the roof there. All this is done in one day. I mean, it's incredible how I guess they do it often enough where they don't have to worry about it, but it's pretty incredible. And then you see on the right there, that one in the middle and the one on the right, how they have those walls are all have those stabilizers up so the wall doesn't fall in. Back to one of those original projects here. This drone is great because I can zoom in using the drone. I don't have to get close and bother the guys that are working. I think this is a 2-time or 3-time zoom here. So it looks great, and good on them. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you got something out of the video. As always, I will see you in the next one.